I have the DJI Action 5 Pro. Let me show you how to turn off the screen when it's locked. So when you lock the screen, you want the display off as well. So to do that, swipe down to the main menu and then tap on the settings icon. And then you should see this option, single screen preview, screen off while locked. So you can enable that, right? Now, once you enable that, it means when you lock the screen will go off. You can see it's currently off, although it has the always on display. If you want it completely off, you can go back to the settings and turn off the always on display. So let's find the always on display and turn that off. And now let's lock and the screen will go off. Both screens actually. So you could be recording, but as long as the screen is locked, it will go off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.